Hey, this is Chris, and I'm in Toledo, Ohio, where they've been doing a marvelous downtown renovation. And one of the things they've done here is to use sandstone that was quarried in large blocks, and then to give it an even finish, it was sawn on the top, bottom, and sides. They left a natural split face with this really nice texture here. So these blocks have been used in a few ways. Here, stacked up tightly together, they form the bases of a planter wall. Moving down, they form a barrier that's also great for bench seating. On this side, again, more bench seating. Also, in a sense, a barrier. You know, if you needed more control over this open space, you could have more of those sandstone blocks channeling traffic or preventing traffic of vehicles through here. We've done a really great job with these pavers and using these bold to light grays to create an attractive pattern for the walkway. The main thing, though, when we're talking about are these sandstone block boulders. Many times bench boulders are left with a rough top. Clearly they wish to have the conformity or uniformity of this very smooth, even sawn surface going all the way through the landscape. And you can see on this side it's just a clean snap. Boulders like this can be costly, but you get back a lot of payback in the sense that it's much easier to put them to good use and have them more attractive than just formed concrete. Heck, even formed concrete is pretty darn expensive when you start pouring and creating it in this scale. And the natural beauty of the sandstone or many other rock materials cannot be overlooked.